40, 50, 60, 70, 80.
Don't pull it. Wait till it stops.
90.
Wait till it stops.
Oh, almost 100.
Don't pull it. Wait till it stops. Wait till it stops.
Oh, almost 100. Woohoo! Yep, good. All right. Now careful. Perfect. Good. All right, you get on the launcher. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Where did that go? I didn't see that.
I'd say that was a successful launch, yeah?
It was like,
It's a baby. Alright, switch her on. Plug it. Okay, let's see what we can get up to. Press it. 40. Keep going. Keep going. 40. Don't switch it off. Oh yeah, 50, 60, 70, 80. Alright, made it to the bottom. Made it to the bottom. Alright. 40, 50, 60, 70, no leakage.
what is it?
70, no leaking. 80,
No.
80, 90, 90. Keep going.
That's all.
90.
Say goodbye to him again. Oh God, hit me.
So what do you got?
Nearly a full bottle.
Okay, let's see how this one goes.
And then just spills on the thing.
No, but the water's just going inside the thing. That's the thing, so it's going down to there. And all the water's in the pipe. That's just wrong. It's going to go back in the compressor. Oh, no. And now the bottle's filled back up again. Alright, you ready on the trigger? So now it's pumped the water back in the bottle. Go for it. Alright, that looks pretty good. What do you reckon?
I reckon the best. So the best?
Alright, switch her on. Quick, Logan. Logan, switch on quick. Pressure is good. Lock is good. A little bit. Keep going. 40, 50, 60. Keep going. 60. We're losing. Keep going. 70, 80. Keep going. We're losing a bit. Keep going. Keep going. 80, 80. Keep 9. Keep going. Don't let it. Don't switch off anymore. 90. We're losing water. We're going. Whoa. Alright, switch it on. Okay. So that was one I told you would fail.
Wait, it's still alive. No, it's still alive. It's undead.
Okay. Now get the other one.
We still haven't tried it with that though.
Yeah, this one.
How about we just use this plastic bottle and then we're done.
So we know that glue doesn't work. So this is our collection of rockets today. So Logan's first ever rocket, which was just the bottle, and that actually goes really well. Goes quite high, but again, once it gets up and it gets, because it's quite light, there's a little bit of wind, which there's actually not much today. It'll actually just veer off into a different direction. But surprisingly, it actually goes really well. Logan's number 2 rocket. So it's basically the first rocket with a fairing. We put some cardboard fins on it, which are getting wet and soggy now. The tape's starting to come off. We've got half a bottle, glued that to the top. But it's quite heavy. So, but again, goes okay. Not too bad. Third evolution, which was the first bottle, but again we've got some fins here made out of polycarb. We've adhered it quite nicely with electrical tape, and that bond has held really well. So electrical tape works really well. The fins are quite light, as well as the fact that they're polycarb, and they're quite tough as well. So they're all basically all in immaculate condition, and going really well. A failure today, this is the new one, where we got 2 bottles and we joined them together. Now, this normally would work really well, but I used a different glue. I actually used PVC glue, which was used for gluing pipes, and these are PET bottles, and I dare say the glue is just simply not designed for it. So basically, you saw before, literally that just pop, exploded. So we'll use some of the recommended stuff, the other glues, the PE Premium or Flex, and we'll see how we go. Also the methodology I used in relation to this, the way this was glued, this is quite buckled and not really nice and neat. I put that in the pot for too long, and as a result it's sort of buckled, so it doesn't form a really tight bond. Okay, but again, you can see the rocket fin, same methodology, and that worked really well. That's solid as. Make sure you leave enough room here. And then what we're also finding is with these bottles, they have different sized necks. So depending on the bottle you're using, you need to slide the clamps either up or down, or if you're going to use the same bottles, you won't have to. But then in this instances, when we were using different bottles, we had to basically slide the cable ties either up or down to accommodate. Okay, overall, probably good fun. So if you new things to try out of this, and yeah, we'll try them in the next one. See ya, thanks.